Hi, my name is Mike Gerrick with Federal-Mogul Motor Parts. I'm an account manager. Today I would like to talk to you about our premium seals, our 37 Series Red Seal, our 38 Series PTFE Gold Seal. The 37 Series Red Seal, we've added to the dynamic edge, and that is a sinusoidal dirt lip to help keep dirt ingression from coming into the seal. The seal was designed in a more traditional manner as other manufacturers designed their seals, a design that was engineered prior to outboard mounted hubs, when technicians used to change seals every brake job. Today we don't live in that world. Today we live in a world of outboard mounted hubs, where technicians don't change seals. The PTFE Gold Seal is designed to live in that environment. It lives in a wide range of temperatures. It has 4 dirt lips to keep the dirt out, and so it is actually designed and engineered to run in those multiple brake jobs. Either the 37 or the 38 Series seal will work in your fleet depending on what your needs are and your maintenance practices are. So if you're looking for a premium seal to put in your fleet to sell to your customers, the National Seal 37 Red, 38 Gold is the way to go.